IPO news, we are seeing mutual funds news. So mutual fund news will be bulls of Dalal Street charge SIP registration to hit a record 40.32 lakhs in December. A consistent 30 lakhs fresh additions every month since July has driven the SIP registration for financial year 24 above the combined figures for 23 and 22. So according to Association of Mutual Funds India, a record of 40.32 lakhs people registered for SIP, that is systematic investment plans, in December, riding on the back of sustained bull run in market. This was a 31% spike over November and 73.5% surge over the last year. So a consistent 30 lakhs first addition every month since July has driven SIP. They are providing relating to SIP, and over the 40 lakhs investors registered in new SIPs in December. So that is systematic plans will be there. No? For such that systematic plans, the increasing is there. After that. We'll see about startups and tech businesses. So Nikhil Kamath, a collective artist network, launched fund with 150 crores initial investment. So the fund called Gruhas Collective Consumer Fund has invested in 5 businesses so far. So he started one fund. So we have different types of funds: private equity fund, mutual fund, debt funds, hybrid funds. He also started one fund by calling Gruhas Collective Consumer Funds. So they may be have some partners, and they will collect some money, and they will invest in different stocks, and they will share that profit to persons who are invested in. So but here we do, that does not take away much from the Indian story. So we believe in India story, and it will grow our dominance as domestic consumer market, as manufacturing market, and has service oriented market. So lot of these different domains of Indian economy may not have done too well for the last 6 months or maybe 3 years, but 10 years down the line be bigger, and we are working with the long term outlook. So they are unlike foreign venture capitalists, we are more long term partners to people, he said. So Subramaniam said that they were looking to back businesses that focus on technology. I think as tech unravels and internet penetrate more, new categories will emerge. So we are here to back meaningful businesses and founders who can build the brand. So they are going to give the amounts, so who are in technology case. After that, startups, another one is space tech startups. Pierce Sig raises 6 million from Alpha Waves Elevation Capital. So this person's space technology was startups. Pierce Sig raises $6 million from Alpha Waves Elevation Capital, here headed by ex-ISRO scientists Gaurav Seth and Vineet Bansal, a former engineer at National Instrument. They are started one they are raised some money for the purpose. Ahmedabad based space tech startup Parsite, which has solution in the satellite based surveillance segment, on January announced closing of 6 million seed funding round. Seed funding round means for startups initial paid, it will known as seed capital. Startups accumulated tech starts earlier invested in startups 5 lakh dollars pre seed round. Now funding will be used for the procurement and testing of critical hardware and the design and launch of demo and operational satellite to expand the team. After the startup, we will see the what is the business news we have. So in business news, so click on business. Indian December inflation likely picked up 5.87 on rising food cost. So these onion rates were increased. Next, after that, Dutch Singapore firm said to invest 7 billion in India. So that Dutch and Singapore firms are likely to invest in India at $7 billion in India. So they are searching in, I think they are investing in Gujarat, and diplomatically they are from 133 countries will participating here. So in the Dutch and Singapore firms, they are committed to invest in India in Gujarat $7 billion. Next, after that, Another news will be Indian refineries set to ask for extra Saudi oil after share price was cut. So Indian Oil Corporation, the country top refineries, and Bharat Petroleum Corp are looking at lifting an additional 1 billion barrels of oil each from Saudi Aramco in February. The sources said two Indian state refineries are seeking to boost imports from Saudi crude oil after Kingdom cut the official selling price of its key exports. So our Indian companies are searching for this oil from different countries. Indian Oil Corp, the country top refineries, and Bharat Petroleum are looking at lifting additional 1 million barrel of oil each from Saudi Aramco in February. So they are means they are going to purchase more oil from this Saudi. After that, we are completed startup, we are completed mutual funds. What is the market news? So we will see the market news. So daily wise Q3 updates indicates positive results trend will continue, say this investment experts. So for the market, some key indicators will need to watch for few weeks for quarter 3 earnings. So quarter 3 was earnings, what is there in quarter 3 positive X. So this is one expert person who is providing the information related to this. So associate partner of Alpha Capital expects good earning seasons, saying most of the provisional figures for the December quarter point of continuation of positive results seen over the last few quarters. So the expectations are also reason for the market surged despite higher valuation of Indian firms, say Singh, who has nearly 2 decades of experience in wealth management and business development. Here wealth management means who will focus on high net worth individual persons. So AMC means they will focus on retail persons, but wealth management will focus on who have more money, they will focus on that persons only. So wealth management. After that, MC interviews negative surprise in any of these four factors may bring huge market volatility. So for market volatility increasing, they are giving some reasons. So for first next 4 to 5 years should be disproportionate wealth being created in the market, and if that happens, index numbers will only keep showing new highs. So already the market will be in bullish trend will be there in now. So what are the reason they are giving for corporate earnings? So firstly, is it great time to focus on value picking, and after that he is telling, are you bullish on the consumer discrepancy space? Already the market is bullish. If you want to invest. Is it gold period for the power sector? And another one reason for the volatility change in the bull run, should investor hold multiple sector or stick on one sector? They are giving some information relating to volatility of the market. After that, we will see about the stocks related news. So in stocks related news, we have top trade spotlight, how to deal in JSW Energy, Nykaa, Godrej Properties today. So Nykaa has seen strongly, just a second here. Nike has seen a strongly breakout after several weeks of consolidation. So the stocks has seen formation of long bullish and candlestick pattern on the daily charts with healthy volume. So candlestick uh, strategy they are using in this case. This is relating to stock information. And another news will be, what is the top news will be there. So in top news, it is stock related information. So we need to see the top news. What is the top news? DII. So domestic institutional investors turn to selling, top take out over 7,000 crores from equities in 7 sessions. So in 7 sessions they are taking over 7,000 crores from the equities. So analysts believe the recent bull run lead to investors to book profits and beef up their cash reserves for potential future dips. So in the bull market, they are trying to get the more amount. So some selling might have also been influenced by investors redemption pressure and driven by similar thoughts about the market movement. So this is the relation to top news information. And after that, we will see the what is there in all news. So top things to know before the market opens. So DII means domestic institutional investors, FII means that is foreign institutional investors. Here the foreign institutional investors showed shares worth 9,990.9 crores, while domestic institutional investors, that is DII, purchased 104.23 crores worth of stocks on January. So FII are in sale mode, DII on purchase mode will be there. They are the information relating to that one.